If you want to hang up this, then you probably need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a poster. This is a poster I've made. It's a Life Weeks poster here. You can get a visual representation of how much of your life you have already spent. It's designed to help motivate you, get you to do something today that you've been putting off. But one of the things with posters, especially a poster like this, where I'm going to color in the dots on a regular basis, it's not that easy to hang up. I don't want to frame it. I don't want it to be behind glass, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on it either, because it's something that's probably going to deteriorate over time. So I found this, and I'm really excited about it because it's cheap. They come in a variety of sizes. And so hopefully this will be the right thing. So it comes wrapped in plastic. I've just taken the plastic off. And what I want to show you here is that they're kind of stuck together with magnets. And that's because this is the top part. And as you can see, it has a little string there so I can hang it on a nail on the wall. But inside of these, I think they're bamboo boards, we have magnets that will pinch the paper just like that. So that's pretty simple. And then down here on the bottom, we have some of these boards, magnets right there, and it will pinch the bottom, put a little weight on it. So like I said, if you have 8.5 by 11 or 11 by 17, this is 12 by 18, I believe. And so it's 12 inches wide across the top. So I got this in 12 inches. So the length doesn't really matter. And if I just go ahead and lay this up here, and I'm putting the string on the back. I don't know if you absolutely have to do that. Looks like maybe it's just a little bit more than 12 inches. I've got just a smidge of an overhang on both ends there, which is totally perfectly fine. Actually, it probably doesn't matter if it's just a little short, but as you can see, now it is holding that just like that. And if I put the bottom ones on, just like that, you're seeing in real time, pretty simple. Now I can hang this guy up, can hang it up anywhere. So if you have a movie poster, your favorite print of me or Emma Watson or something like that, you just attach these, hang it on your wall, hangs like a banner. You can still access it, touch it, feel it, caress. Oh, Peter Von Panda, I could look into your eyes all day. And sometimes I do. So if you want to pick this up to hang up your favorite artwork, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.